Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. So today's recipe was yam and egg sauce. So I went by peeling the yam and cutting it into sizes. See the way I was so serious. So I washed the yam and did a little cleanup. Then I went by cutting the onions. I just wanted to prepare everything at once before I start cooking them. Onions was entering my eye. I had to comport myself. God, it was peppering me. So I was done then. I had to remove my egg and add some salt. Done with the preparation. I had to yam. Then I was done. I now made my egg sauce. I first added the oil, then the onions, and give it a stir. Then I added my tomato paste. Then my fresh pepper and the normal pepper. Then my spices, the younger spice and the one. Then my Maggi and the salt. Then I added my egg. And lastly my Thai sauce. Is that exciting? Thai sauce. Yummy. My egg sauce is ready. My egg sauce is ready. Serious woman. There I was cooking it. Yummy, 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 yummy. Thanks for watching, guys.